This is one of Scotland's major tourist attractions, and it's a growing tourist attraction. Hundreds of thousands of people here are coming every year. It's also part of Scotland's transport and infrastructure, and it has been for over 200 years. Behind me there are pieces of stonework which have been underwater for all that time. They've served the public extremely well. They need to be repaired, the gates and the locks need to be renewed, and the Scottish Government this year will be investing a huge amount of money to bring this all up to date and to make sure that it's fit for purpose for decades to come. Next year there will be further work just further up the canal, again funded by the Scottish Government, so that by the end of this 2-year period, this section of the canal will be as modern as we can make it and fit for purpose, and it will last for decades to come, as it should do.
This is a very exciting phase for Scottish Canals, phase 1 of a 2-year phased programme of replacing lock gates here at Fort Augustus, at Kytra Lock, which is further to the west, and coming back next year we will also do Cullicky Lock. And what we're looking to do over this phase and the second phase is secure the middle district of the Caledonian Canal. We're very grateful to the Scottish Government for the funding to be able to carry out these essential works to safeguard the heritage, and we have various contractors on site assisting that process and managing that process with ourselves. Mackenzie Construction are the principal contractor appointed for this phase of works, and they have a supply chain and subcontractors working on their behalf with experience and knowledge to be able to deliver these works to a very tight programme.
So Mackenzie's are a lead contractor for us. They do tremendous work all over the country for us. They are particularly expert and experienced at canal work, but they're also very, very good at working with local communities. They have an excellent apprenticeship scheme. Their health and safety record is first class, and it's a partnership that really matters to us. So here in Fort Augustus, they are the lead contractor, but equally they are the lead contractor in many other parts of the country for us.
The gates themselves are probably 50 years plus and are life expired, and therefore it's very important for the safe operation of the canal that these gates are replaced. We have identified that gates 2 behind us here are the most critical gates and need replaced now. And we've got a 250-ton crane here to be able to lift those gates out. The gates themselves weigh circa 21 tons each, huge gates, and that's a testament to the Caledonian Canal and the great Thomas Telford, who actually influenced and assisted the building of the Caledonian Canal. We've got a good relationship with the local community. We have the Caledonian Canal Centre, which Scottish Canals own over here, and that is a focal point within the Fort Augustus itself. Fort Augustus is a very good and small community, and the locks are the spine through the middle of Fort Augustus, connecting Loch Ness up to Loch Oich, and therefore it's very, very important that the community is on board. They understand, we've engaged with them, they understand what we're doing, and we're taking them on the journey with us to make sure that they understand each step of the way, what's happening this year, what the impact is this year, and what we plan to do next year.